The real power of Lectora comes from the interactivity you can create with it, and all interactivity is created with the use of actions. Actions can be applied to nearly any object in your title and can be used to display pop-up windows, navigate, play audio and video, display question feedback, and show and hide objects. They can do all of this and more, and you won't have to do an ounce of programming. To add an action, first select the object within your title that you want to make interactive. In this case, I'll select an image. Then, click the Add Action icon on the toolbar or select Action from the Add menu. This displays the action properties. Each action is comprised of a trigger, the action that should occur, and a target. The trigger determines what will execute the action. In this case, it refers to how the user must interact with the image to which the action is applied. For example, on mouse click means the user must click the image to execute the action, while on mouse enter means the user's cursor must enter the image for the action to be executed. Select the trigger you want to use for the action. Next, select the action you want to occur. There are many from which you can choose. For example, the display message action enables you to issue a textual pop-up message to the user. The Go To action enables you to navigate the user to a different page within your title, and the Show action enables you to display a currently hidden object on the page. When the action requires a target object, the objects available are determined by what is directly on the page or what has been inherited from other levels of the title. Objects within the target list are referred to by the naming convention used in the Title Explorer. In this example, we have created a rollover effect such that when the user places his or her cursor on the image to which the action is applied, a text block is shown. We want to have the text block disappear when the user moves his or her cursor out of the image. We can create a second action on the image. This action should be on mouse exit, hide, the same target text block. You may be required to make some minor modifications to your title to ensure your actions are working as expected. In this case, to produce the rollover effect, we do not want the text block to be visible by default. We can modify the properties of the text block to ensure it is not initially visible to the user. Now that this is done, let's test our actions in run mode. The target text block is shown when a user places his or her cursor over the image, and is hidden when the cursor is moved out of the image. This is just one example of how you can use actions in your title. Actions can make your title come to life and give you the ability to create almost anything you can imagine. To learn more about the available actions and how you can use them in your titles, see the Help topic, Adding an Action.